What is quack-a-lackin' YouTube? I recently went to Evike camp with Bilbo, Pytronic, and myself, of course. And last time I went, we didn't really get much out of the raffles, but we had fun. It was an exciting time. This time, we lucked out, got one of the best items there, I would say. And we had some pretty cool reactions. Kind of went crazy over it, and it was cool for us. So thanks Evike for the item, and here's our reactions.
What were you trying to say, man?
Oh, that was the last gun.
No, there's one more. I don't know what it is.
Alright, next item's just the box.
Box!
What's in the box?
Stick in our box. Oh, we got.
I will raffle it off, only if you use it tomorrow.
Yes! Yeah! George, I take you up on that offer. George, I'll just pay you for it. George, I'll pay you.
Time to be really disappointed.
Guys, it's time to be hella disappointed right now.
2, 3, 4, 9, 0, 9.
That's what. Yeah! That's your dad, dude. That's my dad.
What do we want?
It was Rick's.
We're ripping too good.
Wait, did he have your ticket too? That could
No.
be yours. Look.
I'm 9. That could have been mine.
Speed!
This is my second year coming to this camp. This is the best time that you can have with Airsoft, thanks to these gentlemen. Yeah!